You look like Cruella de Vil right now. I love it.
Alex's turn.
I'm gonna have. I feel like I'm being hugged by you guys.
Do you feel the love?
Yeah. You're beautiful. Saw your face in a crowded place. Hello, welcome back. Ashley's here again. I was singing. I was like, oh. I didn't upload the last video I did of me dyeing her hair, but I did this awesome split dye that we've been rocking for like 3 months, probably.
6, because
I
we
was gonna
touched
say
up
it's
the
been longer
roots.
than
Really?
that.
6 months? Oh wow.
I had it on New Year's, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, okay. So she's been rocking this hair for like 6 months, and today we're gonna do something drastically different, so that's why I wanted to record it. Hopefully it's not like a fail video. We've only bleached this side twice, and we've just toned it. It's turned a little bit brassy again. That's why she wants to do this next thing, is for the upkeep.
I'm lazy.
Yeah, because of the upkeep is rough, but I'm doing it. Anyway, we're gonna dye her full head blonde because she wants to do a red to blonde ombre, where it's like just ombre down to the tips. So it's gonna be mostly red and then just like slightly lighter at the ends. So I need to lighten the other side of her head, and then we're also gonna do the blonde. So.
I think Alex was trying to split your hair so that way she could do it easier, and you just screwed it up, Ashley.
Yeah, no, you did just mess it up. Anyway.
Yes, Mom.
We're gonna get started on this. I'm gonna time lapse the whole bleach process because you guys know what we're doing. I'm gonna do the whole brown side, let it start to process. She's gonna dye my roots, and then she's done dyeing my roots, I'm gonna bleach her roots. We're very effective with time here.
It's gonna be a dual dye job.
Oh, this is my friend Tasha.
Hey!
She's off camera, but she's gonna be commentating. She was also
Usually
there for
is.
Ashley's perm video where I permed Ashley's hair. Tasha was there as well, giving us moral support because she won't let us touch her hair.
Not yet.
I have virgin hair and I'm scared.
It's
One
beautiful.
day.
It's a beautiful natural blonde, but someday we'll get her. Alright, so my camera turned off while I was in the middle of this and I couldn't do anything about it, but we've got this side of her head in all these pretty foils. And we're gonna leave them in here for roughly an hour, but I'm gonna keep checking on them in the middle of that. We want it to lighten as much as possible, so yeah, we're just gonna keep an eye on it and keep it in these foils, and then we'll do her roots in a little bit.
Alex's turn.
I'm gonna have hot roots for a little bit. Alright, part 2 of this video is
You're gonna be the bleacher.
Can I use the stick too?
yeah, okay. Ashley and Tasha are gonna do my roots. Oh, this is Tasha.
Hey!
She finally made it on the camera.
That's so quiet.
We're prepping.
You guys feeling good about it?
Yeah, I need another.
Are you guys working horizontally or diagonally?
I was gonna work up and down.
Vertically?
Vertical.
Boy, I feel it. I feel like I'm being hugged by you guys.
Do you feel the love?
Yeah. Can I turn around so that my back of my head's facing the camera?
Sure. Oh, I got one with you.
Is anybody gonna see the back of my head?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I go over? Is it fine?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's really light.
Come in front of me. We're gonna have a hair dyeing train.
No! Alex started going like this, Ashley.
I started head bopping.
She's like, bleep, 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 bleep.
As you can see, we've bleached Ashley's hair. It's even enough to where I feel comfortable putting the red in. It actually looks really even on camera. She's already dropped IQ points, like...
Oh! You get the futon.
I can sleep anyway.
This looks orange.
I was about to say, that's definitely
It's
not...
gonna develop.
Are you sure?
I mean, it better because I put the right amount of developer in and I put 2 boxes of this stuff. So if it doesn't get darker, that's false advertising. It looks like a condiment. I want to dip my fries on your head.
No. Her hair is yellow, so it already looks like a french fry.
Oh my god.
Dang, girl, your head is ridiculous. Can I get some french fries? Can I have some french fries? I think it is.
What?
This is how she gets. Okay, I'm gonna need you to hold this again.
What?
So this is my first time ever doing like a balayage kind of thing. What I did is I added a conditioner to the rest of the color that we had. And then, well, I left her ends out. And then I'm just going through with this like super conditioned.
That's a word.
Dye. And hoping it gives it the effect I'm looking for, but this is just us experimenting at home. And she said it's okay if it all turns out red, so.
Shit happens.
So what's all in your bag, Ashley?
Way too much shit.
You're just looking at her purse and laughing?
What did you find?
I literally just asked Ashley, so what's in your bag? And you go, all sorts of stuff. And I just start going through it, don't even think twice about it, and I just rummage your bag.
Oh, you're just laughing at yourself?
How many people can say that they just go through their best friend's bag? Like they just go through their purse just for the hell of it. Because it can. It just made me laugh. Just the concept of like, I'm gonna go through your bag now.
I ain't got shit on.
Somebody got fucking murdered in here is what it looks like. Tasha's now gonna do my hair purple.
For the first time ever, Tasha's doing hair.
Yeah.
Yeah! I don't know what I'm doing, so if I screw it up, I'm sorry.
Fine. Do you want me to put it into like multiple sections?
Nope, I'm just gonna split it in half this way and call it good.
Okay. It's a lot of confidence for someone who hasn't done this.
Do you need to section it? I thought you said it was fine.
Scaring her, Alex.
Teasing you. Here, let's do 2 sections.
Okay.
And we're just I'm using Arctic Fox again. This time I'm doing, what is it? Violet Dream. And I diluted it with some conditioner. Not a lot, but some. Like less than half. Ashley's hair is done, but we're letting it air dry and then she's gonna style it. Don't come in the frame.
Okay.
It's a secret until it's done. I messed it up, but it's
not
okay. But
didn't
it's
mess it up.
But it's a happy accident right now.
It's a decent accident.
It's an okay looking accident. It just isn't how we wanted it to look. I tried to make the ends lighter than the rest of it, but it just ended up all bleeding together. I expect better from myself.
We're doing hair in a kitchen, Alex. You can only expect so much.
She's not wrong.
I know, but then I'm sitting here thinking about how you spent $150 on supplies and you probably could have got your hair done for like $200 and it would have been perfect and everything you wanted.
Okay, but then
no.
Ashley would not have spent time with us.
Correct. So, number 1, I wouldn't have had my girl time, which is what I really needed. And 2, I wouldn't have gotten the shampoo, the shower cap, the dry shampoo. I would have literally spent $150 just on dyeing my hair. Not the experience, not the fun time with my friends, and not all the other little shit I bought at Sally's.
Okay.
And trying the new food at Costa Vida with you guys.
Yeah. Remember, she had a foodie experience.
I did.
Okay, thank you. Let's say goodbye.
Fine,
to the
if you want to
camera.
go, you don't want to hang out with us.
Say
that's
goodbye to the camera.
I'll say goodbye to the camera.
Put your hair
Sleepy,
to the,
guys.
Put your hair to the side a little.
Oh, you like the side part, don't you?
Yes, I do.
Is it because I'm a millennial and I'm too old for a middle part?
No, I just
Have
thought
you
it
heard
looked
that?
good.
What?
Yeah, which is so weird.
So dumb. Yeah.
Apparently,
Gen Z telling us
Z
we can't do a
hates
side part.
side parts. They think
And
they're
skinny
ugly.
jeans.
Tasha's still doing my hair, but Ashley wants to go home because she's abandoning me
Because she sucks.
and she's tired.
Wait.
So
It's not
we're
like
just,
she works.
we did a lot of hair doings today.
Lots of it. One day
but-
we're gonna get Tasha's virgin hair.
I gotta get more of her purple. Trade me sides.
Anyway, Ashley's hair turned out all red. It totally bled to the bottom, but it looks really cute. I'm disappointed that it didn't turn out how I wanted it to, but it's fine.
And that one side's darker than the other?
Shut up, we're not going to talk about it.
Ashley's husband is gonna think it looks fine, and he's gonna her
Tasha, you're so G-rated. It's so cute.
Well, I don't know who watches your channel, and if I don't know if you like monetization in English. I don't know. Shut up.
I don't even have enough followers to monetize anything.
Well, if you
But
ever
that's
get
okay.
enough,
One day.
yeah, it needs to be.
I appreciate my 200 followers.
Ooh,
I love you guys.
You hit triple digits.
Yay. Anyway, Ashley's leaving, so here's her hair. I know it's an anticlimactic ending to the Ashley part, but it's because she's leaving.
Thank you.
I love you.
Everyone,
You have to hug her.
But
I love you.
Bear it and share it.
Don't get purple on you. Bye. Thanks
Bye,
for staying,
babies.
Tasha, and finishing my hair.
Yes.
I'm teasing you. We
I
were
love
very ambitious with what we could get done today.
wait,
so
we're
tired.
Wait.
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 Oh my gosh! Don't.
What?
I'm gonna have that freaking music video stuck in my head.
All I said was here, beautiful, and she was about to turn into a demon. I've never
seen that
I've
music
never
video?
seen the music video.
Oh
the
my
song is creepy
God.
enough by itself. I'm not gonna watch the
No,
music video.
he's sitting there on the
What
edge of
song
a
is
cliff.
that? I
You're
know it.
beautiful.
You're beautiful.
Saw your face
In
in a crowded place.
Yeah.
He's about
I'm not
falling in
looking
love with a girl that he doesn't even know, and it's super creepy. Fun.
Yeah.
Oh my God, your sweater is red.
Where?
Look.
Oh, at the top.
Oh. Do you know I don't even wear this anywhere?
Oh, okay. I felt really bad. I'm like, oh my God, I just ruined your sweater.
I know better than to wear something I'm attached.
All right, are you guys ready to see this hair? It's not purple. I thought it was gonna be purple. Packaging said violet dream. My hair is not violet. It's like fuchsia, but I didn't look at swatches either, so it's my bad. I also diluted this quite a bit. And yeah, this is how it turned out. In the lighting, the night that I did my hair, it looked like just a straight hot pink. And I was pretty upset. But it's been a few days and the color has grown on me. I tried to do my hair and I kind of failed, so just ignore that. It is a fun color though, and it's not permanent, and it is starting to grow on me, so I kind of like it. It is just so vibrant and stands out so much, but I don't hate it. I'm not mad about it. Anyway, I hope you liked this very hectic video of me and my friends trying to dye each other's hair. Really, it's just a good time. We dye each other's hair for fun. We know we could spend the same amount and go to a hairdresser and get exactly what we want, but we trust each other and we have fun doing each other's hair. So that's what we like to do. In no ways are we professionals. In no way are we professionals, nor do we think we are. So try dyeing your hair at home at your own risk, kind of thing, but I enjoy it. I think it's so fun, and if you're able to, experimenting with color and just, I don't know, enjoying yourself is a healthy thing to do. I'm someone who always had my hair really dark. I always wear really dark clothes, so kind of having a pop of color on my head is really fun. I appreciate you for watching this video. I love you all so much. Please leave a message in the comments and let's have a conversation. Don't be afraid. And I don't know what I'm saying anymore, but I'm happy you're here and I love you.